Hello po. Ayan. Ugaliin po natin mag-check ng ating profile recommendation. Kasi katulad niyan, nakita ko, makapula yung aking reach. Ibig sabihin, konti lang yung nakakita ng aking profile o sumilip kasi hindi masyadong kontrolado. Kontrolado ni Meta, di po ba? So, sinilip ko yung aking recommendation. Ayun, recommended naman siya. Kaya nga lang, may flag ako. Yung flag, ibig sabihin po nun, napalo ka. So, may restrictions, may violation. Yun. Although, nire-recommend niya pa ako, pero, ano na, with restriction na, mababa na. Anong pwedeng mangyari pag na-flag ka? Ang sabi ni Meta,
ayan, nag-check ako ng aking profile recommendations. So, punta ako dito sa tools. Ayan, profile recommendations. Yun. Recommendable naman daw, kaya lang may flag content na naman ako. So, alamin natin ang details. Here's the content that could keep your profile from being suggested to people. Kaya pala ang baba ng aking reach. What you can do, i-delete ko daw yung post ko and learn about recommendable content. Ito, what happened? Here is the content that hurt your good standing. You created a post that was flagged as broadly disliked. Shared in feed. It was flagged automatically. And yung isa, created a piece of content that was flagged as unsafe. So, tignan natin kung ano yan.
ito pong nagkaroon ako ng flag content, hindi ko po ito gawa. Sinare ko lang po ito at nagkaroon na ako tuloy ng violations at restrictions dahil dito. Kaya ingatan din natin po ang pag-share. Ayan, yung sabi ni Meta na reason. O kayo na po magbasa.
Sinare ko ito. Kanino ba itong... Nag-share lang ako, magically, Tara Zimon, yung September 21. Bakit kaya? When your profile shares content that may go against our guidelines, it will prevent that content from being suggested to people, impact your profile's ability to be recommendable, reduce your profile's distribution. Kaya pala, ang baba ng aking reach. Get your profile taken down, affect other groups, page or profiles you manage, lead to restriction on your personal account. So, gawan natin ng action. I-delete na lang yan. Ayan, ang suggestion niya. Delete ko na lang. Deleting content that's not recommendable can help keep your profile in good standing. So, delete.
Ayan, kaya hindi po maganda talaga. Hindi ko na-advise na mag-share dahil kahit yung maganda na, may violation pa pala.
Ano pa yung isa? Dalawa bali. This piece of content may go against our... Bakit kaya?
Pwedeng mawala po ang ating account pag lagi tayo may violations. Kaya kailangan lagi tayo mag-check ng ating mga recommendations at doon natin malalaman kung tayo napalo, may restrictions, may violations.
Lang naman siya.
Ayan. Yan po may advice ko sa inyo.
Ayaw niya. Take down it. Yan. Take action na naman ako. Delete ko na lang. What to do? Kahit marami pang views yan. Okay, na-delete na. Lahat green, maliban dito. Kasi pala, may palo ako. Naka-flag ako. Tignan natin. Wala na. Very happy. Yung naka-flag na nakalagay. After ko mag-delete, okay na siya. Kaya mahirap mag-share, mga kaibigan. Wala na akong violation. Yan lamang po. Ingat tayo sa pag-share. Kahit ang ganda-ganda ng senior ko, may violation siya.